This is Spike. I'm his translator. And we're here today because he wants you to know about Fresh Air Dogs in Guilford, your dog's favorite place to learn, play, and stay. Why is this? Well, no dog wants to be treated like a dog. This is what sets Fresh Air Dogs apart from the rest. As a guest at Fresh Air Dogs, your dog doesn't sit in a crate all day. He gets the best of the best. Daily pack walks in the woods, homemade dog biscuits and treats, swimming in the lake, car rides, playtime with other dogs, all the things dogs love. So whether it's daycare you need, overnight accommodations, or even extended stays, there's only one name you need to know. That's right, Spike. Fresh Air Dogs. Give them a call at 564-2604 to set up a meet and greet, or go to facebook.com/FreshAirDogs to learn more. Oh, that's right. They offer training services, too. Be sure to ask about them. Fresh Air Dogs, your dog's favorite place to learn, play, and stay. 251 Wharf Road in Guilford.